So these are the best Netflix games that you can download for completely free. Go on ahead and open up Netflix and then choose your profile. Now, when I said free, I meant that you needed to have a Netflix account in order to download these mobile games because you won't have to make extra purchases if you already have the account. So, the best game is probably 12 minutes, in my opinion, because 12 minutes is actually a really fun game where you can interact with the choices, and basically, it's like a puzzle game where you can do certain things to make sure that you unlock the main plot of the story. There are also different endings and tragic storylines, but mainly it's really fun. Another one is Oxenfree because it's very high quality. It's like a game that you would pay for and have a really good time. If you're into strategy, you could also try Into the Breach. This is a really fun game. I'm pretty sure it's like building things or like turrets. And if you want a sad one, Before Your Eyes is a really, really good game. It explores more about your past and what you did before you died. Another fun puzzle game is Storyteller, where you have to basically put these puzzles together, and it's like you're telling a story, but make sure that you're putting the puzzles in the right order. And finally, Death's Door. Death's Door is really fun because basically you're trying to do these puzzles once again, but it's action. So there are different monsters that you can fight, and you can upgrade your character in order to slay better monsters and have better loot. And yeah, that's about it. If you really enjoyed my list, you can go on ahead and just scroll through these, and I'm sure that you will find others that you will also like. Because these games are all fun, because they're run by a multi-million dollar company, which is Netflix. So it's bound to be really fun. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.